Chalo, yeah.
He is given $5,000, 4.2%.
Statistics this is there, na?
Yeah.
The price in dollars of 10 garden chairs.
This I didn't see on the test.
Ah.
It don't do that.
Find the range of prices of 10 chairs. How do you find range? Highest value minus the lowest value.
Ah, yeah.
What is the highest? Don't forget, range is highest. Highest, what is the highest value?
255 minus 50, so 205.
255 minus
50, so 205.
49 I see.
So 205. Oh, 49, no?
49 is there, no?
28, 206, 4, 204.
225.
255.
255 there. Sorry. Oh.
So for 208.
Yeah.
4.
So 9 and.
I can't see it.
9 and what? Yeah.
204.
206. Use your calculator, please. Don't do mental maths.
Oh.
Do no. 255 minus 49.
206.
206. Use your graphic display calculator to find the mean. Come on. So use your calculator. You know how to do this? Huh? No? Okay. Now what you need to do is you have to go to calc.
One variable.
Calc. One variable.
Your mean is.
So mean is how much? 137.1. So mean is 137.1.
Then your standard deviation is.
Standard deviation is 74.5. 74.46. No, actually 70.446. That's your variance. No, 70. That's standard deviation. Sorry. 74.5. What happened now? Just stop writing. 74.5. Now the mean will reduce by 20. So the new mean will be 137.1 minus 20. Remember that the mean reduces. So that's how much? 117.10.
So you just minus your mean by the
number.
Yeah.
Achha, now I'll tell you one more thing. Yeah? You can do what you go right. Highlight list 2. Look, highlight list 2. Then you do what your shift. Listen, shift. Shift 1.
There is enter. Wow.
List 1. Listen, list 1. List 1 minus 20. You do that now. Listen, it's like your Excel. It gives you all. It gives you all the value.
How so?
You're there.
So if let me just put some random value.
Now highlight list 2. Now do list 1. Shift list. Yellow no list.
Oh.
List 1 minus 20. You will subtract 20 from all. Then you go to set.
So yeah.
Correct. And listen, now you have to say list 2. Yeah, okay. So let's do that. Send it to me. Okay. Achha, new standard deviation. What does the new standard deviation mean? There will be no change in standard deviation. Remember that. Whenever you increase or decrease the value, your standard deviation remains the same.
This is 93 marks for 115 minutes. We'll have only 80 minutes for our test. So it'll be 80 marks for 12 questions. Okay. The data below is given by NASA for planet Saturn. Use the equatorial radius given to estimate the volume of this. Volume of sphere. So what is formula of volume? V equals to 4/3 pi r cube. So do it on your calculator quickly. So 8 something. V is equal to 4.3. But you have all the variables. So 4/3 pi. What is r? R is 5 point. You don't have r. Equatorial radius is given on top. You did not table. But if I use the equatorial radius on the volume. Use But only already have the volume. V equals to 8.2713. But use the equatorial radius to find out. Also, they want steps. They want the steps. And then also that may be an estimate. Or this might be an estimate. This is an estimate. into 10 to the power 4.
5.8232 to 10 to the power of 4 cube, huh?
2.8.
Ratio 5.82 cube.
Oh, right. 8.27.
8.27 and 10 is to 14.
Yeah, correct.
8.27 into 10 is to 14. Correct? Estimate the circumference of the estimate the circumference of the orbit of the now they've given a distance. Estimate the circumference of the orbit of an rock far edge. So what is the radius be of that from the center? So radius will be the small radius plus the diameter.
The diameter is what?
I mean radius plus this distance. See, this is your radius.
Yeah.
Plus that distance. No? So if you want a far edge, this is the far edge.
Yeah.
Far edge of the Saturn ring. So radius of the ring would be r. What's r?
5.8232 into 10 to the
5.8232 into 10 is to 4 plus that ring system ka this from the planet. Now to 2.82 into 10 is to 5. You add that first.
340323.
340232.
Yeah.
Correct? So now what is the circumference? What is the formula of
C
circumference?
equals to 2 pi.
Oh, good, huh? You know where the formulas are. So how much is that?
6.
So they get into decimal form. Tell me in this only.
How?
Exponent. To do that, what you can do is you can go to setup.
No, but I need this thing.
You can go back then. Display 2 minutes video. Display scientific. How many significant figures you need? 3. Yeah. 2.15 to 10 is to 6.
Can we, how do you do that, sir? Setup. Fix, is it, which one is the normal?
Scientific. Fix. No, normal that is normal.
How do I put 6 things? I want 3 things to come out.
Scientific 3.
But I want decimal and 3 things.
That's 3.
But it'll come in this form, no?
It will always come in this form. They are raised to 0 means you don't write down. Correct. If you toggle that answer, then
wait, so but if I...
So suppose if you do, listen, let's see that. If you do 200 plus 3400, let's say. So it gives you like this, right? If you do this, then you have to go set up and then you set up and you have to go to display normal, enter again, highlight again. But then suppose you have to do scientific, I mean, for this one sum you'll have to do. Okay. Next question, come on.
IQR is Q3 minus Q2.
So in a game of squash,
7 minus 3, 4.
Hania counted the number of shots played by each player. The incomplete boxing discuss below summarizes the results. Find the interquartile range.
Q3 minus Q2. Q3 minus Q1.
Q3 minus Q1. So what is that?
4.
Q3 minus Q1. 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. Then the 3 points with the greatest number of shots played.
10, 12, 14.
10, 12 and 14. Correct? Explain why 14 shots is the only outlier. How do you find the outlier?
I don't know.
The formula for outlier
is it in the book? Right?
Upper outlier, yeah.
Where is it?
In the formula booklet is not, sorry. Upper outlier are the numbers greater than Q3 plus 1.5 times IQ.
So it'd be 7 plus 4.5.
7 plus 1.5 into 4.
7 plus 4.
No, 4. 1.5. 1.4 into 4 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13.
13.
So any number greater, so any
13
number
is
greater
outlier.
than 13, number greater than 13 are outliers. Correct? Therefore 14 is greater than 13, therefore 14 is an outlier. Acha, what is the lower outlier be? Any number
Same thing,
less than
minus
Q1, Q1 minus
Q1
1
minus
point.
1.5 into IQ.
You remember this now?
Yeah.
Okay, so please remember that. Hence complete the box and whisker diagram.
12.
So 14.
You go to 12.
So it's 14 is an outlier.
So
Correct? It will go to 12.
And then you join that line. What are those things called? The lines, so?
Whiskers.
No, but there's Q3, Q1.
This is the lowest value. Highest value.
Mean max, middle max. So.
Lowest value earlier. Max, min and max. Yeah. Next. A village in Peru breeds guinea pigs. If the population has sufficient resources, it will double in size every 2 months. Initially, there are 24 guinea pigs.
24 guinea
Correct? Suppose a popular guinea pig is modeled by this formula. Find the value of A, K, and all that. So your A is the initial population. Remember that. So what is A?
24.
A is the initial. So remember, when you have such a model, A is the initial population. So A is equal to 24. Initially, there are 24 guinea pigs. Correct? Then value of K, you substitute. P is equal to A into 2 raised to K2. What is P?
So P is equal to
P.
P is 24 now.
So can I say when T is equal to 2 months, correct? Yeah. What does the population become?
48.
48. So population will become 48 from 24 in 2 months when K is equal to 2. Are you following that? Solve when, get the value of K.
I'm confused with that.
See, what you know that after 2 months, every 2 months, the population will double. Initially, they're 24.
But don't you find the value of K? How you find the value of K?
We know that, listen, population will be 48. Population will be 48. A is 24, we got in the first part. So population will be 48 when time is 2.
If you can change the time, but will it not impact the answer? No.
No, you're finding K, na? We don't know what K is. Na? So you solve it. K is equal to half. Okay, then estimated number of guinea pigs after 11 months. So what will you do? So now what does the model become? A is 24 into K 2
11 T
2 raised to
half into
T. Now put your T as 11.
11.
And you just put in your calculator.
Into 11, then here is X. $1086.
So 1086 guinea pigs. The famous Big Ben is housed in Elizabeth Tower, London. Each face of the tower features an analog clock whose center is 53 meters above the ground. The minute hand of each clock is 4.3 meters long. The height of the tip of the minute hand is given by this formula, by the model. Ht is equal to A cos bt degrees plus B. Find with reasons the value of A, D, B. Now let me review. I'm sure you must have forgotten this. Correct? And with good reasons people forget. A is the amplitude. And you can find the amplitude by max height. Yes, minus min height divided by 2. Correct? B affects the period. B affects the period. And period or B is equal to 2 pi upon period. B is equal to 360 degrees divided by the period.